Bukas na yan, ay tutok mo.
Tututo ko lang sa'yo. May pukunan.
Welcome po sila po sa lahat ng mga TFC subscribers. Welcome po sa the port of San Juan, Batangas! My home province!
Sige, magsalita ka ba in English?
What the So this is the newly opened port of Batangas, located at San Juan. Well, I think this will be an international port. International port in the near future. And these are my friends. These are my friends. This is Joy. Yeah. With his fiancé, Edwin. This is Precious Lara Kigaman. This is, what's her name? This is a registered nurse. Yeah. I will give you one Pakistani in the future. This is, Juliana Palermo. This is also a registered nurse. Yeah. New lover named Bebo. These are the Bakal boys. These are the Magbabarek. From this is Dragon. This is Jogi the Pogi. No one can beat that. This is Bebo. Hindi pa rin lumalaki until now. This is Punkle Jack Halakhak. With this Yao ID the same. This is, what's your name? Arvin J. And this is Bojo. And this is our guest. Ayan po, welcome po sa San Juan, Batangas Port.
Kuya, bago ko lang kailangan documents sir.
Yan po ang Port of San Juan. And these are the visitors. Yan. And that is our service. What is our service?
Survey.
Our service, I don't know. Isuzu Highlander and one Toyota. And one Honda Civic with plate number. I cannot see the plate number, sorry. Yeah. And so this is the gusto ko the adult. Again, Precious Lara Kigaman.
Mr. B.
Welcome to the boy.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
These are my friends in the Philippines actually. Yeah. Sabay naman tayo. Upload ko yan. Hello. Hello po.
Namin mamaya, bando upload pa.
Ito sa boy.
Kung kaya mo naman yun.
And that's it for today. Manila. Somewhere in Manila.
Huwag mo na kami pupuin ito sa kapag.
I'm not. This is so hard. Hello po.
Kuya, nagtap ka.
Sabihan mo.
Bakit ka kaya at ba't yun?
Ano ka sumasok po? Just if you're staying here, malapit na kasal ko. And pwede sana habang nandito ako, papakapangalan